Character Headcanon AI is a brand new software that's taking the AI space by storm, but before you dive into it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know to make the most of this powerful tool. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how it could completely change the way you create characters for stories, games, or any other creative projects you're working on. So, what is Character Headcanon AI? At its core, this tool helps you build detailed, multi-dimensional characters with just a few prompts. Whether you're a writer, game developer, or content creator, this software is designed to make your creative process easier and faster, cutting down on hours of brainstorming and trial and error. But it's not just about character creation. It's about bringing your characters to life with their own backstory, personality, motivations, and quirks. The more you use it, the better it understands your style and gives you even more nuanced suggestions. Now, let's talk about how to actually use it. The first thing you'll notice is its ease of use. You don't need to be an expert in AI to navigate through it. The interface is intuitive, and you're guided through every step of the process. You simply input a brief description of your character, a name, age, a few traits, and the AI will generate a deep, multi-layered backstory. Want to adjust the personality? No problem. It allows you to tweak emotions, motivations, and even conflict points your character might have. It's seriously that easy. Another key feature is the personalization. The more you interact with Character Headcanon AI, the more it adapts to your unique style. It doesn't just give generic traits, but learns from your feedback, adjusting to create characters that feel tailored to your needs. It also supports multiple genres, whether you're creating characters for sci-fi, fantasy, or even real-world settings. This flexibility makes it one of the most versatile AI tools out there for storytellers. Now let's talk about time saving. As anyone working in creative fields knows, character creation can take hours, sometimes even days. But with this AI, you're cutting down that time significantly. It's like having a creative assistant that's available 24/7 to generate fresh ideas and provide instant feedback. If you've got a tight deadline or just need a burst of inspiration, Character Headcanon AI can deliver on both fronts. The AI also includes detailed relationship mapping. Once you've built your character, you can begin developing relationships with other characters in your story. It helps you visualize how these characters would interact, creating a more dynamic and cohesive world. For writers, this is a huge advantage, as it gives you a deeper understanding of your character's role in the bigger picture. One thing to note is that while the AI is incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. It still requires some human touch to refine the final product, so you can't expect to generate a masterpiece without putting in your own creativity. But that's part of the appeal. It's a tool to enhance your work, not replace it. Lastly, the AI is always improving. Regular updates and improvements are constantly being rolled out, meaning that over time, the AI will get better at understanding your preferences, generating even more personalized suggestions. Plus, it's constantly learning from the community, so the more people use it, the smarter it becomes. Now, if you're interested, you can actually try Character Headcanon AI for free. Just hit the first link in the description below to start exploring this game-changing tool for yourself. And if you're curious about other AI tools that can boost your productivity, I've got a list of my recommended AI software in the description. After testing thousands of these tools, these are the ones that truly stand out. Thanks for watching.